Our next speaker is Nooriel Banayan from the Biological Sciences Department, who will present Accelerating Drug Discovery, Find Cures Faster.
Inside every single one of our cells, there are over 24 million protein molecules doing the heavy lifting needed to keep us alive and well. Proteins are these amazing molecular machines that do everything in our bodies, from helping our muscles grow to turning the sugars we eat into energy. They even give our hair its illustrious shine. But proteins can misbehave sometimes, and when they misbehave, we get sick. And when we get sick, we take drugs to help us feel better. For example, Tylenol targets and inhibits a protein in the human body that causes fevers. And the latest COVID-19 drug, Paxlovid, targets and inhibits multiple proteins in COVID-19 viruses that help them replicate. Bottom line, drugs target proteins. So, how do proteins get this amazing ability to carry out a wide array of biological functions? Through their three-dimensional structures, which makes their three-dimensional structures of utmost importance to all drug developers and scientists anywhere. But there's a problem. At the moment, it can take up to 5 years to get the structure of a single protein. This is because when you handle proteins in the lab, they become super unstable and super finicky, making it incredibly difficult to get their structure. My thesis research aims to help remediate this problem. How so? I've written a computer modeling program that has analyzed over 87,000 known protein structures to see if they share any stabilizing chemical features about them that we could use in our own proteins in the lab. So, after a little bit of math and statistics, we indeed found stabilizing chemicals that we can add to proteins in the lab to make them more stable so that we can get their structures faster. So, to test this method, my lab chose a protein that is incredibly unstable and implicated in Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. And using this method, we were able to get this protein structure not in 5 years, not in 1 year, in 1 month. So imagine the next global pandemic. We have an accelerated rate for drug discovery and delivery. That can make or break the difference between hundreds of thousands of lives lost versus hundreds of thousands of lives saved. A national 6-month lockdown, or staying at home for 2 weeks without that deadline being extended. My goal is to accelerate drug discovery to find cures faster so that we as humans can live happier, healthier, and more meaningful lives. Thank you.